How to arrange apps on home screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. You can now hold and move any app and place it anywhere you like on your home screen. For example, the Google app icon. You can change the positions along with the pages that they're on. As you can see, you can group the app icons together into one folder if you want. For example, productivity. You can also change the name of the folder if you want and then tap on the tick icon. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily arrange apps on home screen iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.